Hey, what's up mga parikoy? We are here in the creek. We will experience a zipline together with Abay Wing and Abay Cat, of course. I love you everybody, so stay tuned mga parikoy. We will do this. Alright. Let's go out mga parikoy. It's seagull. So that's the area for zipline. So we are invited to ride a zipline today. Ay, Miguel, shout out to my Luel. Bye. Hi, Barley. Barley. Say hi. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog first.
No, he is more humot than mamu, no? Nanambog na siya man madi. No? Natambog ka ni Joy. Or sa balahibo?
Exercise.
Sa balahibo?
Sa balibo.
Mga parikoy, the yellow one is starting to fly. Look. Wow, amazing. Bye. Say bye. Oh my goodness. Alright mga parikoy, it's our turn. It's our turn now to ride the zipline. So, wearing vest.
We'll try Ben if it's work. One of us will go down.
One of you go down. Team house.
For safety. I'm wearing my vest now. So we are all busy now. Busy.
Alright guys, we're ready to go for the run.
Ba, ikaw na lang huyop sa ako ha. So let's go.
Kaya baka may iniro. Ay ako ba ulo tama. Lady pilot, eh? Oh, yes. It's me.
Alright. Johnny, Johnny. Yes, Papa.
Marge! Ito-try ko kung ano, kung work ba yung best nila.
Alright, get up. Alright, welcome on the Family Fun Day flight. My name's Brianna. Your captain today is Keith. Make sure your seatbelts are all fastened, please. You'll understand the use of the life jacket. Then there's emergency water landing. All you do, pull that little red tab there. That will inflate your life jacket. There's a safety features card in front of you. Take time to read that. Reminder, no smoking flight. Everyone's seatbelts are all good, are they? Even 20-minute flight. We're heading over to Mud Lake for a bit.
Mud Lake?
Mud Lake. We're gonna do
What a picture, what a picture. 1 second. Can I get a picture with you, Brianna? This one.
So she instructed us what we gonna do
There you go. Thank you.
if some wrong.
Okay. Hello, Siri. Hello, Paloma. Hello, Prano.
You're crying?
Padala siya. Padalahag ko. Padalahag.
Palag sa babida. Wala, sa liog, raiso.
Alright mga pare-koy, we'll fly now. Big love shout out to my colleague. Alright. Bye-bye. Bye-bye fun. Bye-bye way. Alright, let's do this.
I know you shouldn't have said whatever you said last night. Guess you didn't think you might have maybe crossed the line. So baby, there's the boundary, there's the point of no return. If we're gonna keep on talking, I'm hoping that
Let's
you'll
get it
learn.
on, mga
You
pare-koy.
crossed the line, you crossed the line. You crossed the line with me, and I'm afraid that you can't take that back. So if you cross the line, you cross the line. Cross the line with me. It's safe to say, well, that's the end of that. That's the end of that.
Amazing. parking mga parikoy, and there's someone waiting there for the next batch. It's a maximum of 12 people inside. Right mga parikoy, it's done. It's very wonderful experience, unforgettable experience. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you, Brianna. Brianna, thank you.
All right. So mga parikoy, it's a very unforgettable. So mga parikoy, it's very unforgettable experience riding a zipline. So thank you so much mga parikoy for staying with me. So to those who didn't subscribe yet, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos ko. Alright, thank you.